Hi dears, once you install ArcGIS Pro and open the software, you will see the Start page at first. This entrance page considers different parts for starting a workflow in ArcGIS Pro. In this video, I will explain the different icons of the Start page. After that, you will be ready to start your journey through powerful GIS software. If you have already created and processed some projects in ArcGIS Pro, you can reopen the project from the recent projects. This part includes most of the recently added projects unless when your project was made a long time ago or you got the project from somewhere and you haven't opened it yet. In this situation, you can open the project by using the Open Another Project icon. You can navigate to the project path and select it to open. For example, I am going to open one of my old projects by navigating the path of it. As you can see, the created projects in ArcGIS Pro have a PRX extension. If you have decided to create a new project, depending on the dimensions of your maps, you have three options. If you are going to create a 2D project like many common GIS layers, you can click on the map icon. Once you click on the icon, a new pane appears. In this pane, you should select a proper path or directory for the new project. Also, you need to assign a proper name to the project. Finally, you can click OK to create the new project. At this moment, we ignore creating a new project, and this will be done in the next video of the course. If you are going to start a 3D project, depending on the extent of your study, you can choose local scene or global scene icons. When you are going to create a 3D project at a local region of interest, for example, a set of building blocks, you should click on the local scene icon. Local scenes are best used for displaying or analyzing data at the local or city scale that has a fixed extent in which you work. Local scenes are helpful for urban planning and visualization, such as when viewing campus facilities or building developments. Similar to the map icon, a proper path and a proper name are needed for making the project. In a global scene, you can display spatial content on a sphere based on world coordinate systems. A global scene is a good choice to use when you want to understand or provide context for phenomena that wrap around the spherical surface of the Earth, such as global weather measurements, world population, or shipping lanes. You can also use a global scene to display data at a city level or down to a building site level. To make a project on the global scene, simply click on the global scene icon and then assign a proper path and name to the project. If you often create projects that you seldom or never reuse, the nature of your work may not require a project structure. You can set ArcGIS Pro to start without a project template automatically. For example, consider a situation where you want to just extract the information from a raster file like the digital elevation model over a region of interest. You can quickly create a project and apply the process without any predefined template. When you create a project by using map or 3D icons, a predefined template is applied to your project, which includes base maps, folder connections, and geodatabase items that Esri itself has considered for starting a project. Regarding the other sections on the first page of the software, two other options can be mentioned. Learn resources include some already prepared tutorials at the beginner level to start working with ArcGIS Pro. Also, in the settings pane, you can see some information about the software, updates, and its license, as well as an options section to change the software as you wish. In the option pane, you can change, enable, or disable various features of the software. For example, I am going to change the theme from light to dark. Click Options, then the General tab, and then open the application theme, and finally change the theme from light to dark. You need to restart the software to see the changes. Now you are ready to create a proper project for starting the journey in ArcGIS Pro. Follow the full course on the ArcGIS Pro in the HydroGIS channel.